None. Blogging is more than just a hobby, it's a lucrative career option. Imagine getting paid to write content for websites and creators. And mastering SEO, it's like having a golden ticket to the top of search results. Freelancing opens doors to endless opportunities. With skills in video editing, digital marketing, web development, and content writing, you can land short-term projects that pay well. Think of it as having rare ingredients in your kitchen. The right skills can turn ordinary tasks into extraordinary income. Top-level creators are on the lookout for skilled writers and editors. Believe it or not, they'll pay up to Rs 60,000 for a 10-minute script. It's like being a chef who knows the secret recipe. Your skills can create amazing opportunities. So, gear up, harness your skills, and dive into the world of blogging, freelancing, and content creation. The right ingredients can make all the difference. Ready to start cooking up your success? Let's go. For more tips, drop us a line at youtube@gmail.com.